lots to look forward to, but gents, it's last season's Scottish Cup. There's lots of anomalies popping up that just spring to mind there. There was Hibs knocking out Dundee United managed by Robbie Neilson. Robbie Neilson's the Hearts manager. Craig Gordon, most likely in goals for Hearts, started the competition. Celtic, Johnny Hayes, most likely will play for Aberdeen. He was a Celtic player when it all kicked off. It's a wee bit strange, isn't it? And Hampden will be, as I mentioned, it's a ghost game at Hampden because there's no fans there tomorrow. An Edinburgh derby at Hampden with no fans. How would you have liked that, Ryan?
Not very much to me, really. I think obviously when you go to Hampden for any player, it's
What the fuck?
For me, I was lucky enough to have a
What
couple
the
of occasions there.
fuck are you doing?
And it's the full occasion when you turn up, and you know the full build up to it. Obviously there's still a build up, but I think, you know, I remember obviously getting in the bus and you're driving in and the full buzz of getting underneath the stadium and the fans being there, and as I said, the lead up to the game.